If getting a document reviewed and signed off by a single person or multiple people is your least favorite part of your job, you're not alone. Let's face it, you only have two options. You can print out the forms and distribute them like you're teaching first graders, or you can email the document to each team member and then beg them to open their email. Either way, you're going to be chasing people down. Not only does everyone hate that, but it's also not a particularly secure or practical way to get work done. With OnTask, digital forms can be sent with required fields, automated notification reminders, and auto-populated data. That means the job gets done faster and easier. You get the information you need quickly and accurately, and you don't have to buy anyone snacks to get them to listen to you. OnTask makes work easier by allowing you to focus on the work that's important. Our business process automation tool standardizes workflows, collects data, and populates documents and forms. Fill in administrative gaps, build better processes, and stop resenting documents. OnTask is here to help.